Does a woman need someone's permission before having an abortion? When can abortion be termed illegal? Don't know the abortion rights you have in India? Well, I'm here to break it all down for you. Recently, women around the world are fighting for their abortion rights. Even in first world countries like America, getting an abortion after just 6 weeks of pregnancy in some states is also becoming a challenge. But thankfully, ever since 1971, women in India have had slightly liberal abortion rights. But here too, there's a time limitation on when a woman can legally have an abortion. Earlier, if someone had some complications with their pregnancy or had an unintended pregnancy, then they could opt for abortion within 12 weeks after the opinion of one medical practitioner. And they required the opinion of 2 medical practitioners if the abortion had to take place between 12 to 20 weeks. But after an amendment in 2021, the government increased the limit. So now, until 20 weeks of the gestation period, a person is only required to get the opinion of one medical practitioner. If the pregnancy is anywhere between 20 to 24 weeks now, then the opinion of 2 doctors is required. Earlier, when the limit was passed, a person had to go to the Supreme Court. But now state-level medical boards can decide if a pregnancy needs to be terminated after 24 weeks.
The Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act covered the abortion in India. Before this legislation, abortion was prohibited under Section 312 of Indian Penal Code, that is IPC. But after the amendment of Section 3 of Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 2021, it permits the pregnant woman to abort on the opinion of one medical practitioner if the pregnancy does not exceed 20 weeks. In case if it exceeds 20 weeks but does not exceed 24 weeks, then the opinion of 2 medical practitioners are required. And this is for the special categories of rape victims, minors, and differently abled women. Now the question is, when abortion can take place or when abortion can be done? See, if there is a subsequent risk of physical or mental abnormalities with the baby, or if there is a grave injury to the physical or mental health of women or the pregnant woman more specifically, then only abortion can take place.
Alright, but if a person is opting for an abortion within the stated time period, can it still be considered illegal? So you must know, while a person has the right to abortion, if they choose to do it after finding out the sex of the baby, it would be illegal. This is because prenatal sex determination is banned in India.
As per Section 6 of Preconception Prenatal Diagnostic Technique Act 1994, determination of sex is prohibited. It states that if any person, any clinic or any counseling center conduct or cause to be conducted any act which determines the sex of fetus, then those acts shall be punishable with 3 years of imprisonment and 50,000 of fine for an individual. If that individual commits the same offence or subsequent offence or second offence, then the punishment shall be 5 years of imprisonment and 1 lakh of fine. And one more thing, if any medical practitioner commit the same offence, then the punishment shall be 3 years of imprisonment and 10,000 of fine. And if he commit the subsequent offence or the second offence, then the punishment shall be 5 years of imprisonment and 50,000 of fine.
Another question that comes to the mind of a lot of people is that does a person need anybody else's consent before they can abort? Well, if the person is above 18 years of age, then they have the right to choose if they want to terminate their pregnancy. But if the person is below the age of 18 or is mentally ill, then the pregnancy can be terminated with the consent of their guardian.
No pregnancy shall be terminated except with the consent of pregnant women. If she has not attained the age of 18 or she having attained the age of 18 or she is mentally ill person, then the consent must be from their guardian in written form as per Section 3, subsection 4, clause A and B of Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 2021.
That's it for this time, but we'll be back with more legal rights. So don't forget to like and comment on the video and subscribe to India Knowledge Network.